Hey coffee lovers! Today I will show you how you grind your coffee with X54, the home grinder by Mahlkönig. And I will show you how to make V60 in your home. My recipe for today is 15 grams of coffee with 250 ml of water at temperature of 93 Celsius. I clean the paper filter and I weigh my coffee. Move the wheel to 14. Wow, it smells amazing. So now I will add the coffee and the V60 and I start the pouring with 40 ml of water for 30 seconds. And now I am waiting. I will continue to pour and I am stopping in 120. The total brew time is 2 minutes and 5 seconds. A lot of stone fruits like a peach and plum. Now is the time to taste. It's fantastic, it's very sweet and balanced and has a lot of clarity. See you soon.